Available now at the Moorhead-Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 1992 New Holland D800 in good condition. This square baler produces 2x3 foot bales, along with a super sweep pickup and dual gauge wheels, a fixed bale chamber and PHIBLER bale accumulator, and is powered by a 1000 slip clutch PTO. If you're interested in this New Holland D800 and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TYPE-INLINE store.com.